Welcome to the Ultimate MetaSounds Reference Guide, External IOs. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the WaveWriter node. While it's possible to come up with some creative uses for this node, it was designed to be a debug tool. Think of it like an audible version of the print log node, but instead of sending text to the output log, we can save an audio file to reference, which is saved in the project folder under Saved, then Audio Captures. This will allow us to take a sample of audio from a desired location within the signal flow to make sure the audio signal is behaving properly. As you can see, we have audio inputs ranging from mono all the way up to 8 inputs. And yes, the files that will be saved are actually single, multi-channel, 24-bit, 48K WAV files. I'll include an overlay on the screen to show what inputs correspond with which speaker channels. In addition to the audio inputs, we also have the ability to append a file name prefix to help us label our saved files for easier organization. We also have the ability to toggle whether or not the node is enabled by using a Boolean trigger. It's important to note that if this node is enabled, it will create a new file each time the MetaSound source is triggered and record the entire duration the MetaSound source is playing. To see the full list of videos in this reference guide, click the link to the playlist in the description below.